Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to create global news intro in Canva. To create a world news intro, you will need world news video, which is you will type it in the element section in Canva. You will also need sounds, 3 pages, timing of each pages, and logo, font, and effects, which we will use background. And you can see on the screen all the settings that I am using in the intro that I created. And we will need page transition, which is line up and down, and the last thing is animation. And then yeah, that's all. So let's go to Canva and let's get started. Now first we will create 3 pages. Go to elements and type world news. Go to videos, scroll down. There are many world news that you can choose, but the one that I choose is 8 seconds, this one. Okay, we will duplicate this video so that we will put it in both all the pages. Okay, set the video as background. Just right click and set video as background, or you can also hold the angle and resize it, but for me this is the easiest way I do it, just set as background. Now we will search for the sound, so go to elements and type amuse us, and then go to audio. After choosing the sound, we will work on the timing. So timing of each page, the first page is 0.5 milliseconds, and then second page is 0.7 milliseconds, and the last page is 5.8 seconds. Now notice the sound is like a bit long, so we will adjust the sound to find the right position that can fit with our logo and our video. So to adjust the sound, you will click these 3 dots or right click on the sound, and then the window will pop up and you will see adjust audio effect, volume, split audio, duplicate, and delete. So what we need here is adjustment. Click adjust. Now to adjust the sound, you see the arrow. The arrow is pointing 2 directions, backward and forward. So you will click the audio, and then you can drag it backward or forward just to find the right position to fit with your video. So the big thing here is the timing of your sound and the video. So I will choose the last part of the audio, which is fit with my my video. Let me try this. Right click again, adjust. page, somewhere here. Okay, that's enough. Let's add some transition in between these spaces. So the transition that we will use here is line wipe, up and down. So the first transition is up, and then the second transition is line wipe but down. Great. So in this tutorial I use my previous logo. Now I will copy my logo and paste it in all pages. This one, and then the last page. I think that's enough somewhere there. Check the position. And then I'll copy the same one and paste it in the other pages. Okay, now notice this logo was grouped, that's why you see this, but I don't want to group this logo because that will not animate the object, this oval with the alphabet BP. So what I will do is ungroup this object and delete this oval, the blue one, the blue part. I will delete it, only the alphabet there. And then this one is grouped at the second page. The logo was grouped, so I will have to ungroup it so that when I animate they will be separated and the animation will be animate properly. This one also is grouped, so I have to ungroup it so that the animation will be applied properly. Okay, so the one thing that I forgot in my list is stomp. That's the animation that we will use in this intro. So click the alphabet and go to three dots there and animation and look for stomp. Right here, stomp. And then we don't have to add animation in this second page, just add animation in the last page. So this object, the first object, you animate it and the animation is stomp, and then the alphabet also should be animated. Just choose stomp. Okay, good. Now let's try play the video. Check the volume. Let's make it like 50 maybe. Yes, somewhere there. Okay. I think the timing is a little bit wrong. Still okay. Okay, let's try play this thing and see how it work out. Try again. Okay, now so I will include my name here, my business name here bottom. So to do that, go to text and then I'll type my business name here, PP Digital. You can use any font, PP Digital Marketing, and then I will make it a little bit bigger, and the color of the font is okay. I will use Canva black. This one. And the effect is background. Notice the background is black. Now you will go to the settings here. We will reduce this 100%. The transparency is 100%, so we will reduce it to 40%. Just drag this thing here and it will help you to reduce the transparency of the object. You see the object right there. Okay, so I want it to be 40%, and then the color should be blue right there. Okay, the roundness is okay, spreadness is okay. I think we are pretty much done with this, and play it again. So it's really simple. Quick recap. So first you will need to go to elements and type wall news, and it will show you bunch of wall news when you go to video section. And then if you want to look for sounds, just go back to elements and type any sounds that you want to use. In this tutorial, the title of the sound that I'm using is Amuse Us. Go to audio and you will see a lot of sounds there you will choose. And yes guys, I think that's all. Let me play it again for you and you will see the screen. So guys, there you have it. Please leave your comment below what you think about this tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe. It will help a lot to grow my channel, and I really appreciate you staying with me until the end of the video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.